Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. So today I'll be showing you how to install Kali Linux on a VirtualBox. First thing we want to do is open a web page, Google, type in Kali Linux download, and then Kali Linux on their original website. Press on that. It's going to show us what do we need to install. Is it just the ISO image, virtual machine, ARM, which is for the Raspberry Pi, and then Raspberry Pi 1, and then mobile, cloud, container, all these kind of options. So over here we're using VirtualBox, so it's a virtual machine. Press on that. What kind of virtual machine we were using? VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, Chemo, all of those ones. I will be working on it, but today we're using VirtualBox. Press on download here. Start downloading. Well, it will take a couple minutes, so I will fast forward the video. Alright, so I paused the video. Now we have it downloaded. Took around 4 to 5 minutes. So what we can do is open folder. So right here we have the folder. It's a zipped file. So what we gotta do is we gotta extract all, and then that's what's gonna show. Do extract. It's extracting right now. There's two methods to do it. So what we can do. Let me show you by the time it does that. What we can do is we can open VirtualBox. And from here we do new, and then we select the folder where we downloaded Kali Linux, or the easier way, which is I prefer, is we leave VirtualBox for now. We just wait for the extracting. Where did it go? Right here. Gotta wait for it till it finishes. I'm gonna cut the video so you guys don't have to wait for it with me. Alright, so extracting was done. So what we gotta do is we open the VirtualBox machine. Okay, so we double click on that. Already opened in VirtualBox. We did not have to do anything inside the VirtualBox. So now we have Kali Linux here. Even if I shut it off, close the folder, refresh, open VirtualBox, Kali is already here. So we start the machine, powering up VM. Okay. So press and enter. Okay, the username and the password always are Kali for the username, and then Kali for the password. You can change that after. For first time logging in, that's the credentials. What we want to do is open the terminal, and then we type sudo apt update. We gotta put the password was Kali. It's updating, and then there is another step, and then we'll be done with Kali Linux. After that, whatever you want to download on it or use it for, that goes up to you. So here now the second command will be sudo apt upgrade. I will ask if you want us to continue. We'll press Y for yes, and then enter. That will take a couple minutes, so I'm gonna pause the video, the recording, and then we'll continue after it finishes. Okay, so here we go after 4 or 3 minutes. It's almost done. Okay, so I finished downloading. Now the progress basically is unpacking packets and doing all kind of software applications and all that. so that will take longer than the first download. So same thing, I'm gonna stop the video and then you guys won't have to wait with me. Alright, so we have it at 98%. That took a bit of a time. So basically after that step we'll be done installing Kali on a VirtualBox. Kali Linux, as you all know, or maybe you guys don't know, it's an open source, mainly used for penetration and security purposes thing, or penetration testing if you guys want to do that. Or you can do anything with the code. You can change whatever you want with it. It's an open source, so the code is for the public. If you guys want anything of how to do it, just comment whatever you guys need and I'll try my best to post a video of how to do whatever you guys ask for. So that's basically it. Right here we're done with Kali Linux. We can close it. It's functional, you do whatever. Go on the main page. We go password attacks, wireless attacks, reverse engineering, sniffing and spoofing, all these kind of tools. So alright, so that's the end of the video. Till next one, please leave a like and a subscribe if you want to see more content. Thank you.